What's up everyone, my name is Alex Costa, and if you're looking to grow your beard and have nice, well-groomed facial hair, then you came to the right place. Today's video is Beard Grooming 101, the basics of growing your beard properly so that you're not left with a patchy, unkept, or wiry beard. And today's video is sponsored by Gillette and their King C Gillette range, so I'll be using their awesome products throughout today's video. Now, you guys know and you can see that, recently I went clean shaven for the first time in almost 2 years. It was a weird feeling, so I'm ready to grow my beard back. And if you're with me, if you're looking to grow your beard right now, then I have the perfect tips for you. The first thing you need to do is make a plan before you start your beard journey. Look, there are two ways of growing your beard. One is you just don't touch it, you let it grow all crazy and wild. Or the second option is you can just plan it out and keep it neat through the whole process so that you can look like a gentleman from beginning to end. So what's the plan? How long do you want to grow it? What is the best beard style for your face shape? What's your reward for letting it grow? It might sound kind of funny now, but rewarding yourself after 1 or 2 months is a really great incentive to keep it growing. Otherwise, you might just get the urge to shave it off and not reach your goal. Think about your hairstyle and what that's going to look like with your beard. Ideally, go for a clean cut hairstyle, because if you combine really long messy hair with a long beard, then it might seem like you gave up on your grooming routine, and that's not what we want. As your beard grows, you should trim it to keep it neat and clean. And no, I'm not saying you should trim it every other day, all right? This is only when necessary. Remember that the ultimate goal here is to grow your beard to a length that you're happy with. And if you're not there yet, then you should only trim when your beard starts to look unkept and wild. I'm a big believer in making sure that you look good throughout the whole process. Otherwise, you're just not gonna feel great and you're gonna lose the motivation that you need to grow your beard out. So keep it looking good by using the King C Gillette beard trimmer. It has 3 interchangeable combs for all beard styles. It's cordless, it's washable, all from a brand that you can trust. You guys know that Gillette has been making incredible men's grooming products and tools for a long time, and this collection is the only one that is named after the company's founder. That's why it's called King C Gillette. It is the best of the best. Next, you have to shape your beard to give an illusion of a much sharper jawline. Every guy should use their beard to help their face shape get more defined by sharpening the edges right here by your jawline. This makes your jaw look bigger, stronger, and more defined. And here's how you do it. First, you apply a thin layer of the King C Gillette transparent shave gel to your cheeks and your neck area. The gel is the best way to shape your beard because unlike shaving cream, this is transparent. It's see-through, so you can see exactly what you're doing. So now you can use your Gillette razor to shave your beard, making sure that the edges are perfectly straight. So you can create an illusion of a more defined, a more squared jawline by making those sharp edges. Whether you're growing out your beard or not, you should be doing this 2 to 3 times a week, making sure that you're not losing those sharp lines. Now, if you want to speed up the process, you should add biotin and protein to your diet. Those nutrients will definitely help your beard grow faster, and not only that, but your hair in general. So if you want longer, stronger hair up top too, this will definitely help. Biotin also really helps rebuild damaged hair, which is great for you guys who want to grow your beard and your hair as quickly as possible, but you want to make sure that your hair looks nice and healthy at the same time. Now, yes, you can definitely get these nutrients from eating a healthy and balanced diet, which obviously I highly recommend, but you can also find them in pills and supplements. Okay, so now your beard is coming in really nicely, it's healthy, it's getting longer, it looks good. What do you do to maintain it? Well, you definitely have to wash and exfoliate your face and your beard to keep it looking clean and good. Look, your beard takes literally half of your face. So if you're gonna wash everything together, make sure that you're using the right products. The King C Gillette beard and face wash is refreshing with coconut water, avocado oil, fruit extract, and all those incredible ingredients will nourish your skin and beard to make it look and feel amazing. As your beard gets longer, you end up getting things in there, as gross as that sounds, right? Maybe it's food or dirt or whatever it is, you want to clean it daily. So just lather the Gillette beard and face wash into your beard in circular motions, and then rinse to leave your beard and skin feeling fresh and clean every day. And pro tip here, guys, massaging and exfoliating your beard will also promote circulation in that area, which means nicer skin, faster hair growth. You can even use a brush or one of those spin brushes to massage your beard and skin. This is actually really good for you guys with short beards, like if you have a stubble kind of like mine right now. Exfoliating the skin helps get rid of ingrown hairs, which is probably one of the most annoying things in the world. Now, look, I'm sure you've noticed this, right? Some beards are they just look nicer than others, right? They look softer, they look smooth, they have a nice natural shine. That's because those guys, they're using beard oil and beard balm. If you have a beard, whether it's short, medium, or long, I highly recommend you apply a few drops of the King C. Gillette beard oil onto your palms, then work it into your beard and skin. That's gonna nourish your beard, your skin underneath it, because otherwise the hair just gets all wiry, it gets hard and frizzy, and this is the solution. And the King C. Gillette Soft Beard Balm is one of the best things that you can apply to your beard if it's feeling dry. It's a conditioning product with cocoa butter, it smells incredible, and it helps you shape your beard, especially if it's a little bit longer. Guys, apply this once a day, just right after you shower. That's gonna make sure that your beard doesn't look scruffy and it looks really nice and smooth instead. Look, and if you're growing out your beard, you have to be patient. Be patient. Don't give up halfway through while growing out your beard. I know it's gonna be a little awkward, it might get a little itchy, it's just not the most comfortable thing when you're first growing it out, but trust me, it's going to be worth it. Plus, I love to say this, and it's so true, you just don't know what it's gonna look like until you get there. Same goes for your hair, your beard, you have to give it a chance. Guys, make sure to check out King C. Gillette's products. They're all listed in the description below. They're definitely gonna help you grow your beard out. Make sure that you maintain it looking nice and clean and smooth at all times. If you're not following me on Instagram already, then don't forget to follow me. It is at Alex Costa. I post there a lot. And if you learned something new from this video, which hopefully you did, then first of all, comment what you learned below, and of course, hit the subscribe button. All right, become part of the YouTube family. We are growing every single day, and I couldn't be happier. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Peace.